This is DocuSign by Kayla Patterson. So what is DocuSign? DocuSign is an electronic signature or e-signature company that was founded in 2003. It is currently based in San Francisco, California, and has over 1 billion users in over 180 countries. DocuSign is an important company in my field of work, marketing, because it allows many important documents to be signed and exported to several users at once. It doesn't need any in-person encounters, which is especially important today due to COVID and the possibility of papers getting lost and information being missing. DocuSign is currently free to users for the first 30 days, but does require a membership purchase after that trial period. The cost can range anywhere from $10, the simplest package, to $50, which is the most complex package. It does offer discounts to companies such as real estate agents and large companies that may use DocuSign more frequently than other users. DocuSign can be accessed from almost any device with reliable internet or data access, and this is one of the prime reasons of how it gained its popularity. How is DocuSign used? Users will import their document into the Dropbox on the DocuSign website. On the left, there will be a drop-down box with several tabs of what to insert. Users will select what tab they want and drag it into their document where needed. Then save the document and enter the email addresses of recipients that you want to receive and sign the document. It is here where you will press send and the document will be forwarded to those whose information you filled out on the previous tab. There are many pros and cons to using DocuSign. Some pros include that it is very simple to navigate and use and only requires you to have an account. It also eliminates the use of paper, making it very environmentally friendly. DocuSign is accessible on most devices, which is why so many companies use this platform. Some cons include that DocuSign does cost money and can range anywhere from $10 to $50 a month depending on what package you select. Also, DocuSign requires a stable network, and users must have a reliable data source or internet to access documents.
Today's business world, everything moves faster. You need to be always on, always connected, whether in the office or on the go. DocuSign is the fast, secure way to send, sign, and approve documents anytime, from anywhere. Here's how it works. From any device, pick a document that needs to be signed. Add people who need to sign it. Then place the signature tag and indicate any fields like company name or phone number. And click send. Your recipient then receives an email asking them to sign. If they're a first-time DocuSign user, they can select a pre-drawn signature or choose to draw their own on a mobile device. Once the requested information is complete and the document is signed, everyone is alerted and the document is stored electronically for your records. So you can always access it quickly and securely. To see the status of your document or to access stored documents, just visit your DocuSign homepage or mobile app. That's all there is to it. With DocuSign, you'll keep up with the speed of business, keep your transactions secure, and delight clients with a better customer experience. In the office or wherever life takes you, DocuSign and go.
Below is an example I have created that shows how DocuSign works. The first image shows the Dropbox where the document will go. The second image is me importing a document, my resume, into the Dropbox, and the third image is a selected document. The fourth image shows every tab you can select, and in this case shows me dragging the signature onto the bottom of my resume. The fifth image shows me adding contact information to those I want to review and sign the document, and the sixth image is me sending the document forward. The next image shows that the document has been forwarded, and the link to sign the document appears in an email. The third image on this slide shows where the signatures need to be entered on the recipient side. The fourth image shows the type of signatures you can select, automatic initials or hand-drawn, and the fifth image shows the inserted signature. The sixth image is saving the document through the account, and the last image shows the document has been saved. In conclusion, DocuSign is a very useful and effective tool that I feel will continue to be used throughout companies. It is very easy to access, and all users need is to have reliable internet and an account with the company to use it. It is also very environmentally friendly and eliminates the need for so much paper to be used throughout companies. I think people will continue to use DocuSign, and the electronic signature industry will continue to grow and improve as time goes on.